Hi, good morning. My name is Erica Swain. I am a student of Forex Beginner Academy. I want to say, honestly, I am astonished and surprised and disbelief in the wealth of knowledge that I've been able to find on this website. I've purchased many programs and systems in reference to teaching you how to be a Forex trader. And to be honest with you, you have the best videos that teach you step by step how to mark up properly, support and resistance, how to actually identify trends, which are the best time frames in order to see and identify market structure. I also love how you guys taught me about the Fibonacci retracement. When I tell you, I've watched so many videos and read so many articles about Fibonacci retracement, and none of it clearly made sense until I watched your in-depth video, and I've been practicing and been utilizing it every day in my trades, and I have become more profitable because of your simple knowledge and skills that you've been implementing. I love how I can mark up my chart. You teach us a strategy, or we mark up our chart. We can submit it in our private group chat, and from the group chat we're able to get positive feedback on whether we're doing it correct or incorrect. I think that's the missing piece. A lot of times people watch a video or read an article on a strategy and you just try to go implement and back test it or mark up your chart, and you don't know if it's correct or not. You don't know until you enter in demo. But I like the fact that before I can even enter in demo, I have that extra layer of support to where I can add my chart or my analysis of my markup, my prediction of where I think the trade is going to go and move, and I can actually post it on our private group chat, and then within minutes, if not minutes, hours, I'll get a response with feedback, positive feedback. Sadid is doing an awesome job. Thank you so much for making this program free, the system free. And honestly, since I've started this program, all I can say is thank you, man. I appreciate you.